Here we are using the laser instead of the tissue punch for a flapless implant placement. The advantage that we have here over the punch is that you're not permanently destroying the fibers, as the tissue punch will always do, and therefore we can get a better emergence profile with the final prosthesis. The other important advantage is also when you have little or no attached gingiva, and you can use the laser even in those cases. So the first step, as you can see, is to mark the approximate circumferential location of the final implant position with your laser, as we're doing here. You can also see, as we are marking, some of the tissue is coagulating on the tip, and there is also some vaporization happening of the tissues which we are lasing. Make sure that you keep moving the tip to prevent carbonization, but as you know, carbonization is bad news. Keep on ablating the tissues layer by layer to prevent any contact of the laser with the periosteum, because that's a no-no. Here you can see the tissue sticking to the tip, and make sure that you remove this before you lase again. Otherwise, you will have the hot tip effect. The hot tip effect is basically the effect of the tissue stuck to the tip, carbonizing on the tip and creating a buildup of heat. Here we're using a periodontal probe to see how far away we are from the periosteum, and as you can see, we're very, very close now. A little bleeding here is good for the final healing around the implant, so don't worry if there's a little pool of blood at the end of your procedure. And of course, this is the finish before the osteotomy. If this had been the second stage recovery, you don't have to worry about heating up the implant at all, as long as you keep moving the tip in constant motion. If you hold the tip at the side of the implant for a long time, then you would have a build-up. So don't worry about that, and nothing is going to happen. We know that this laser is not going to scratch the implant surface.